everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. A few people commented about wanting me to do like a house tour, probably like a new house tour, but I figured maybe I would do a tour of this house before we completely move out. We've been in this house for 4 years and I absolutely adore this house, so I'm sort of sad that we're moving, but we really don't need this space anymore, so it's sort of a blessing in disguise that the owner wants to sell the house. Maybe I would just show you guys the house. It's a bit of a mess because we have boxes and we're packing, so don't mind that. If you guys want to stick around and see my house before it's completely packed up, then make sure to stay watching. So this is the view when you walk into the house. You can see there is a loft up there right in the door, and then right to the left is the office with the cats watching me because they're like, why are you outside? So this is the entryway. I usually have an entry room table here, but that is moved. So this mirror. So let me show you guys around. So yeah, when you walk into the house, you instantly hit the office. So if you guys were with me when I started YouTube on my other channel, this is where I used to record. So this room is, yeah, where I would do all my videos. I would set up in front of this window, move everything out of the way. I would move this desk forward, record my videos, and then move everything back, and it was just a pain in the ass. I was so thankful to have that space upstairs. Once our oldest moved out, I had an extra room. So yeah, this is the room that I used to record all my videos. So it's the office. There is that. So you can walk through here into our kitchen, which again is packed up in a mess, so don't mind that. Through this door is the laundry room. I'm not going to even go in there because it's a mess. And here is our kitchen. Let me get back here. If you guys can see, it's super dark. Cats everywhere. Okay, so this is the view from the laundry room. And yeah, we love this kitchen because it's nice and opened, and it opens up into our living room space, which is also looking pretty bare. So there is our living room, our dining room here, and of course out through this window we have our little cat patio that we made so the cats can go in and out and be outside and be safe. So yeah, this is our living room. I'll miss this space because it's nice and big and opened. Alright, so this is the view of the living room from this way. From the front entry, we're back in the circle that we just completed. So you can go upstairs here, and then to the right is the master bedroom and a hallway. Let me turn on some lights. That door goes to the garage, our hall bathroom. Just a nice little, you know, bathroom. So into our master, which, let me go ahead and turn on some lights because it's hella dark in here and hella messy. Okay, again, don't mind the mess. We are packing. This is our master bedroom, which is sort of really small for a master bedroom, but we have a huge, huge closet, which I will miss. And we have our TV mounted. I'm sure if you guys have followed me on Instagram or anything, I'm always like posting from the bed. And here is our bathroom, you know, mirrors, mess, and then we have a, you know, toilet that's in the closet, which is nice. So this is what I really loved about our bedroom and this house, was how big our master closet is. So you can see how big this closet really is. We have 2 full dressers here. I have my Alex drawer with all my makeup and my husband's long dresser. We have a tall dresser here, shelving everywhere. Yeah, this closet is absolutely humongous, so I will definitely miss how big it is. And I usually stand here in the morning with all that mess, my makeup, and I do my makeup in this dirty ass mirror. So I should have cleaned some stuff before I started recording this video. So it will be nice in the new house to have an actual room where I can sit and, you know, do my makeup and not have to stand. The rest of the house is upstairs, so we'll come up here. So I won't go into kids' rooms, but that is my daughter's room there. Here is my filming room. You guys already know what that looks like. You guys see that all the time. Here is a bathroom, which is a mess. I'm not going to show you. It's the kids' bathroom. My son's room. And then we have this huge living room upstairs. We had couches up here, and I already sold them, so that's nice. And most of this other stuff is going to go too. So yeah, here is the view back down to the front door. And that is it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this quick little house tour of our old house, which is an absolute mess. So don't come for me. We're moving. It'll be better. If you guys want to see a tour of the new house, then make sure to comment below. I'd be more than happy to, you know, give you guys a tour of the house once we get everything set up and you guys can see, you know, that I don't live like a pig. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.